Hey YouTube, welcome to another fingerstyle ukulele tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to play TITIBO-TIBO. Alright guys, let's jump in. There's TITIBO-TIBO. I hope you enjoyed this. Hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications, because this channel is blowing up and you want to be a part of it. Alright, if you want the tab sheets, link is in the description, patreon.com. You can get yours there. Hit the Google Drive link there. You can find out what I'm tabbing, what I'm listening to, and what is scheduled to come out, as well as an alphabetized list of all tabs that has their link to their associated tabs within Patreon. It's a very nice resource. I update it weekly just for you. Alright guys, we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.